Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to S Online. In this particular video, we will see the most important recruitment details given by the DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. And it is a paid internship program under ISSA, that is Institute for System Studies and Analysis. Let's see the full detailed advertisement for paid internship that will be 6 months in this PDF. Here, all details are mentioned. Internship area, if you are belonging computer science, computer engineering, IT, allied branches, mathematics, applied mathematics or operational research or statistics, and your essential qualification is B.Tech, BE or MSc, M.Tech, full-time course with first division from recognized Indian University Institute, and final year student can also apply for this important internship area. Okay, duration of this internship program is 6 months, total number of vacancies 25, and place of work is Institute for System Studies and Analysis, that is ISSA, Metcalfe House, Civil Lanes, Delhi 110054. Who can apply? At first, if you are Indian national, then you can apply, and students studying in countries outside India are not eligible for this important internship program. Selection procedure. Selection will be based on academic merit. No communication will be undertaken for rejection candidates. So you have to know the first point. Second is the students should have good academic record with 75% and above marks or 7.5 CGPA on a scale of 10. And third is only selected students will be notified about the joining procedure through the email ID mentioned in the application form. That means you have to fill your application form properly and you have to give your all details. Okay. Payment of stipend. Stipend is rupees 5,000 per month. A total of rupees 30,000 for 6 months will be paid in 2 installments, rupees 15,000 for each installment. And next, first installment will be paid after completion of 3 months and second installment will be paid after completion of 6 months. That means all your duration of internship program. Minimum of 15 working days per month of physical attendance at ISSA is mandatory, and stipend will be paid directly in bank account of the student. You have to know the important details. Completion certificate after, if you will complete your internship program, then you will get a completion certificate from the ISSA DRDO. And in the time duration of your internship program, all types of expenses related to lodging, boarding, transportation, medical or any other personal expenditure during your internship shall be borne entirely by the individual, by the candidate. No such expenses will be reimbursed or provided by the organization DRDO. So here all important conditions are given. You have to read this important condition. Okay. Go through this important PDF. It is available in the official website of ISSA, DRDO ISSA, and you can also download the PDF from the description part of this video. Okay. Now let's see how can you apply. Here it is mentioned. How can you apply? At first, you have to scan your all important documents and fill the respect along with the reference request number from college for paid internship as per the attached format given in this PDF, and are to be sent through email only. No hard copy will be accepted as application for the internship. Here this is the email ID hrd.issa@gov.in. You have to send your application form in this email ID. And email subject should be mentioned as application for paid internship with branch or discipline for the which the candidate is applying. Okay. Last date for application is 20th of June. Emails received beyond above mentioned date will not be considered. That means you have to email if you are interested in this email ID. Okay, document to be submitted at the time duration of your online application. You have to submit your DOB related certificate, just like your 10th certificate, 12th certificate, mark sheet, character certificate, brief biodata, copy of Aadhaar card, college ID, and paid internship as per the test format. That means your application form, and all documents mentioned above should be in one PDF file. The file name PDF should be your name all in small letters followed by the year. That means date of birth. Okay, date of year without any spaces. For example, for here it is mentioned, if your name is Rahul Kumar, who is born in 1988, the file name should be Rahul Kumar 1988 in PDF form. Okay, you can download the advertisement and the download of this important application form to visit this website drdo.gov.in/drdo/en/offerings/vacancies, and here it is mentioned. Okay, so documents required at the time duration of your joining. You have to submit your important documents just like your 10th certificate, 12th certificate, which is mentioned here. If you are working in state or central government, then you have to produce your NOC certificate, and last date of application is 20th of June. Second or third week of July, you will get information you are selected or not. Okay, and 3rd of August, the date of start for this internship program. So this is the detailed application form for paid internship program under ISSA and released by the DRDO. Okay, if you will select, then you will get an email from the ISSA. This is the pro forma of your application. You have to fill this application form, okay, and send to that email ID which is mentioned above. So this is the detailed PDF uploaded by the DRDO under ISSA. If you are interested, if you are eligible, then fill this important form and send it the email ID. Okay, so this is the end of this video. We will meet in next video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.